Hey, what's up? Jigxor here. Did you know that you can also share your Google Calendar with others, such as your family, friends, coworkers, or clients? Sharing your Google Calendar can make it easier to coordinate schedules, plan meetings, or collaborate on projects. In this video, I will show you how to share Google Calendar with others in a few simple steps. Let's go. You can share any calendar you created, and you can set different access permissions for each calendar. Visit your calendar through the website, calendar.google.com, because by sharing it with others, you can't use the Google Calendar app. To see the list of your calendars, on the left side of the screen, click the arrow down button next to My Calendars section. Then, move your cursor over the calendar you want to share. For example, I want to share this project I created with my coworker. Hover over the calendar, click More, and then Settings and Sharing. Find Share with Specific People. Here, click the button, Add People and Groups. Add a person's or Google Group's email address. For me, I'll type my coworker's email, since I want to share my calendar with them. Now, to select a permission, use the drop-down menu to adjust their permission settings, which have individual privileges. With See Only Free or Busy, others can view your calendar and see when you are busy, but they won't have access to specific event details. It's a good choice for maintaining some privacy while still allowing colleagues or family members to know your availability. See All Event Details, on the other hand, allows people you've shared your calendar with to see all the details of your events. It's useful when you want to provide complete information about your schedule to others. If you want those with access to your calendar to not only view event details, but also make changes to existing events, you can set the access to Make Changes to Events. It's suitable for collaborative scenarios where multiple people need to update event information. Meanwhile, Make Changes and Manage Sharing settings is the most permissive option. It allows others not only to view and modify event details, but also to manage sharing settings for the calendar itself. Use this setting when you want others to have full control over the calendar and its events. Click Send after setting up the calendar. The email you added will receive a message and they'll be able to add this calendar to their account. After adding it, they also have the option to hide it or completely remove it whenever they want. If you want to share your calendar with the public, on the same settings screen, tap Access Permission for Events. Tap the box next to Make Available to Public, and note that this will be visible to everyone. Choose the level of access you want to give in the drop-down menu. Click the Get Shareable link, then click Copy Link. Use caution when sharing your calendar and choosing what others can access. Anyone with full access permissions to your calendar will be able to respond to invitations, create and edit events, share your calendar with others, receive emails about changes to your calendar, and even delete your calendar. That's it. If I could help you, feel free to give this video a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe. Leave a comment down below if you have any questions. See you next time. Bye.